Hey everyone, welcome back to our Google Sheets tutorial series. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to merge cells in Google Sheets for 2025. Whether you're building reports, creating dashboards, or just organizing your data, merging cells can make your spreadsheets look cleaner and more professional. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have Google Sheets open. If you're starting from scratch, go ahead and create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. Now, select the cells you want to merge. You can click and drag to highlight a range, like 2 or more cells in a row or column. For example, if you want to combine A1 and B1 into one big cell, just select both. Once your cells are selected, head over to the menu bar at the top. Click on Format, and then look for the Merge Cells option in the drop-down menu. A sub-menu will pop up with a few choices. Merge All, to combine all selected cells into one. Merge horizontally, for cells in the same row, or merge vertically, for cells in the same column. Pick the one that fits your needs. It's that straightforward. After you select your merge option, watch as the cells combine instantly. But here's a quick tip. Merging cells can affect how formulas or data sorting works, so double-check your sheet afterward. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Right-click on the merged cell and choose Unmerge to separate them again. This feature is especially handy in 2025's updated interface, which makes the process even smoother with better visual feedback. One more thing. Always consider if merging is the best choice. It can make your data look great, but it might complicate things if you're sharing the sheet with others. Practice this on a test sheet to get comfortable. There you have it. Merging cells in Google Sheets is quick and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.